You fuckers. You fuckers. You motherfucker.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
Can't no hoe tell me shit, cause bitch I'm the shit. Oh my mom and my sis.
Show something you regret buying, then show what you turned it into.
On the wall, please try to make me the coolest kid of them all. This girl with the hair better beware, cause everywhere she be, I'ma be there like, hello, my name is Susie, that's Susie with the Z.
You would think my dog just went through the most traumatic event of her whole entire life, when in reality, we had a scheduled vet appointment, she got a shot in the butt, and now needs to be wrapped in a warm blanket and snuggled until tomorrow morning.
Best friends, Jack.
Okay, whatever. Go. Fucking go. You wanted to go out, now go. Yeah, I did. Oh.
Back when we were still changing for the better. Wanting was enough. For me, it was enough. To live for the hope of it all. Cancel plans just in case you caught me.
Two best friends in a room, they might kiss.
Yes, we will.
What?
Yes, we will.
Hey, yo, Winston. People want some bars, homie. I'll start you off, alright? Ooh.
Do you want to go see Fluffy? You want to go see Fluff? Oh, you want to go see Fluffy? Come on, baby. Come on.
Come here, puppy, you can do it. Come here, puppy. Come here. Well, come here. Mom has to go to work. No cuddles. Yes, soon work. Mom has work soon. Mom has work now. I have to go. Dad'll be home in a little bit. Yes. Dad is at work, but he will be home this afternoon. And then I will be home.
Live the king.
Oh, I like your cut, G.
How'd that feel? Ow! My pinky! Ow! Ow! Okay.
Get down. Stop. Stop.
Now can I kill myself? Hey! Fuck you!
Teddy! Call the kids! She don't want you by her. No tengo perro. Dos. You seen Benny's new eyebrows? They're horrible. He's right behind me, isn't he? Oh. Oh, the love. Oh, the love. Oh, the love. Oh.
All right, we get started. Ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese.
Of Fat Lord.
Oh.
Oh! Yeah, let's go. Oh, good job.
Oh, God.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Bitch, yeah.
He's a big cheesy smile. Yeah.
Get back. Hey, 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 hey.
Niggas in my grill tryna phase me.
not supposed to whoop your little ass. Get your butt, go get home.
Get the fuck out my goddamn toilet before I whoop your fucking ass. Hazel, I'm not fucking playing with you, bitch.
Come here.
What the fuck is going on? Dude, our dog.
What?
Okay?
I found my baby!
Gigi! Stop!
You like the... Oh!